The kangaroos will steal your food, so watch them. The kangaroos. The kangaroos will steal your food, so watch them. Will steal your food, so watch them.
Mom will come back and bring us some ice cream soon. Mom will come back. Mom will come back and bring us some ice cream soon. And bring us some ice cream soon.
I won't retire before I become famous. The water is cool, so I might swim.
You couldn't plug in the dishwasher, could you?
Can I choose a photo for you?
Of course, we could int share shoes in college.
After this hill, we can lie down.
You couldn't plug in the dishwasher, could you?
Different.
Have you seen my smartphone?
Phone. Your cell phone is so slow. You need to update it by downloading the new software.
Look up. Look it up.
I use my phone to look up information all the time. If I don't know the answer to a question, I look it up. My phone knows everything.
Hold on, is that story about the president's dog really true? It sounds cool, but I think I'll look up the article on my smartphone. Hold on, is that story about the president's dog really true? It sounds cool, but I think I'll look up the article on my smartphone.
I need to update my apps on this phone. I need to update my apps on this phone. I need to update my apps on this phone.
No way, this new app on my phone isn't working again. Seriously? What's wrong with it? I updated it 3 times this week.
Look up. Look it up.
Last night, Tom was in his bedroom, listening and dancing to music. His mom sent him a text and asked him to turn the volume down.
Look up. Look it up.
Look it up. Look up.
Look it up. Look up.